In this video, we will show you how to correctly define a mailbox which the e-posting process requires to function. Mailboxes are required to send documents from Pantheon to other systems and vice versa. Let's look at an example. As the company's authorized person, the administrator wishes to download a mailbox from the web service, and create a username, which will be used for e-posting. For this purpose, they go to the administration panel and open the mailbox settings, then they click the button Import/Export. They continue with the transfer from the server, and select an appropriate mailbox. They complete the import of the mail by clicking the button Transfer into Register. In the next step, they create a login for e-posting. When they double-click the login field, a new window opens where they can enter a username. They then enter the password that the company received when activating the e-posting service in the password and confirm password field. The last step is for the administrator to select the saved username from the drop-down in the mailbox management form. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.